Hey guys, this is Brian with NuWave, and today we're just going to go over the importance of framing on our molds, or any mold in particular. So just to give you a little background, our molds and molds in general are made with CSM, vinyl ester tooling resin, and then usually bulked with a zero shrink tooling resin, right? Doesn't matter how thick these molds get, they still want to flex. So Exhibit A, we use steel framing. So particularly us, over here, we like square tubing. It's nice, it's quick, it's easy, it's sturdy. You can see here is the hardtop mold that this steel framing was made for. So what happens is, depending on the shape of the mold, they're always different. And we usually want to have a standard span of about 18 inches between frames. So casters are also another important option on molds because it makes it easy for production to move it around the shop. All right, so here you can see we have a hull mold that we built. We're currently infusing it, but you can see the importance of the steel framing, what it does for the molds. It keeps the mold rigid, it keeps it from flexing and moving, and that way we stay accurate in all geometric tolerances around the mold. Coming down here, nice heavy duty casters. This makes it easy to move around this heavy hull mold. This is a 27 foot. And also on this side, you can see the turning points, also known as the peckers, where the trunnions will slip on, and then you can lift it up and do the hull size, whether skinning, whether infusing, whether hand laying. The good option about this that we have here is that we do removable turning points. So the same turning point you use on your hull, you can use on your console, you can use on your leaning post. It's a big advantage for smaller shops that don't have a lot of space. That's a nice way to save time. So if you do have any questions on molds, tooling, or even vacuum infusing or parts fabrication, reach out to us at NuWaveComposites.com.